Good day, traders. This is Rich. Wednesday, hump day, 5/13/2020. And I just have to say that I was up till 3:30 last night, so I'm a little tired. And that's why there was no video yesterday or write-up. This computer I rebuilt decided to take a bad dive, and for some reason everything was failing on it. And I think that's why I was having all these glitches with TradeStation and everything else. So the good news is I stayed up all night rebuilding it. It should be in good shape. It worked out really well today. Very smooth, very fast, no glitches, nothing. Just pure trading, pure everything. And that helped me see the markets, which were on a very, very down day, very well. So I was fortunate to have stay up late and get things done and have the system ready for the morning so I didn't miss a trading day. So all good. What we'll do is today we'll just go over a few trades taken. Big miss on one of them, and we'll get into that. So this is a SPY. We'll open this thing up a little bit. It's the SPY today. Kind of just dove down and just kind of chopped low on the low side for most of the day. So when that happens, you're looking for tough traders, and you're looking for pretty much the stocks that are up on the day. And there were a few. There were a few today that were setting up, and one of them was Beyond. Do that. Beyond Meat again. Opening trade. Took the break at this level here on this candle. Got out a little too early. Of course, it did squish me down, but I got out with a nice little gain, and it did go back up. So what I'm finding in my trading is, especially in the initial move or second move, that I'm getting out way too early. And yeah, it might go down and go even below where I entered, but it ends up going further. So it's not like it's just a fall off the cliff like this when I get in. That's what I've seen in the last, 2 weeks. Like 1 out of every 15 trades is kind of like doing this after I get out, or doing this as don't win the trade. But most of my trades are winning trades, and they end up being bigger trades, and I'm just not taking advantage of them. And I really need to get over that. It's a big situation I'm dealing with. If I could do that, there'd be some good money to be made. So NVAX was yesterday's play. Let's see if I can make this a little bit bigger. I was looking for the break of this candle here, and since I redid my platform, I hit buy, and it asked me to confirm it. I forgot to turn that off, so I missed this move here. It was a nice move from 40.59 to 41.85, and if not more, to 42.53. It was in play from yesterday, and that was one reason why I was trading it. It had come down, so it was like a red to green move, opening break. And it was that was easy miss. These are the type of things that makes day trading hard. You have, platform issues or whatever. And it was right there in front of me, and I just kind of missed it. It's unfortunate, but you got to move on. And in that case, no big deal. So let's see what else we got. The big one today, we'll just go into that right now. We'll just make this video kind of short. It's CODX, good old CODX. Yeah, we talked about this in the past. Definitely getting some news today. Look at these levels though. Just got up here, 1850, broke the 1850, got to almost 19. So the 19 is where I was looking, and I got it. Actually, 1875 is where I was looking right here. Okay, this was my first entry on CODX. I took it and got some action here for like a few bucks, $30-$40, nothing big. But look at this thing. This little candle here, I got out here. I remember this candle. I set my stop right. I set my stop like right there for my last set of shares. Look what would have happened. I was saying, okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set my stop right here, no matter what happens. And it did go up. It did go up. It gave me like a $50 winner. I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to let it go the rest of the day. It just touched me by 2 cents. I was supposed to keep my stop underneath the moving average, like down here at 1885. And it came down and got to like 1992, I believe it was. Yeah, 1892. And look what happened. 1892, end of the day, 23.39. 23.39. I did get in a couple more times along the way up here, but it was just, the tape was just so live, and look at this volume coming in. You're watching these huge sellers get taken out, and the shorts were just getting squeezed. It was really awesome to be part of. I wish I got, just if this didn't tap, I would have kept it in. I would have kept it going. I would have just been like, okay, that was my goal, was to just hold, whether it was 50 shares, 100 shares, whatever, just hold to the end of the day. And that would have been probably, I think it was like 19 to 23.39. I was gonna close the shares out in the last 10 minutes of the trading day. And actually the last 10 minutes of the trading day was like almost a point move. So imagine. So that's what I got to work on, and I think I'm getting it. The mindset's coming. Long way to go, but I'm pretty excited about, I was up today about $130. I know it's not a lot, but eventually I'm going to add a zero to that. So that's the goal. If I can be up 1,300, I'll be happy. I had like one bad trade. What was it on? Let me look at my other symbols over here. Was it EA? I think it was EA. It's in the game. I was looking for the pullback here. It did give me a little bit of action on this candle here, but I didn't get out completely. And then look at this thing, just died off with the rest of the market. I think that was the bad one. That was only my really bad trade today. Zoom, I took a Zoom trade, I believe, early on in the day. I tried taking a Zoom trade along with that Beyond trade with this one, the break of this level here. I forgot about it. It was on my other screen. I just kind of was looking at something else, and I was looking for the break, and here's the break right here, 169.74, and it went all the way up to 174.40. So, you're going to miss them. You're going to get them. But the mind is there, and I'm seeing the good stuff. CODX was another one that was pretty interesting today. People were all over this one. This was probably the most followed stock today because it was up 41% on the day. There's a break here. News came out. Big move. You could take pullbacks here, just constant until the end of the day. It just kind of meandered to the low side. But you had chances to get in this and kind of play the trend, so to speak. So that pretty much covers up today. Again, it was a green day, and yesterday was a green day, and the day before that was green as well. So yeah, I just haven't written a lot of stuff because I've just been so busy with this stupid computer. And fortunately, I think I'm good. I took out one of the graphics cards. It's running a lot quieter. I don't need all that GPU power. But, in the past I did. So I might be selling that one. It's a 1080T GTX NVIDIA card. I think it's got 12 gigabytes of RAM. So it's a pretty expensive card. It's like at the time it was like, 2-3 years ago, it was like $1,200. So now I think it's like $500-600. So I might sell that one. We'll see what happens. Anyway, this is Rich with some trading on May 13th, 2020, hump day. And we'll be back tomorrow, hopefully with some good findings. Have a good one, guys.